Being one on gold, previous highs, we got a little zone support here, whatever you want to call it. Either way, I'm looking for a pullback downwards to the general area or even this general area. Gonna get ready for the day. My little walk-in closet here. Got a few bad boys. We're gonna see which one we're gonna take today. What's going on, my fellow traders? It is Saturday. It is the weekend. It is currently 10:55 a.m. and as you guys see, it is February 28th. And I currently just got back from getting a haircut, feeding the little biddies, and here we are back home, guys. So we're gonna turn on our charts, pop up the Discord, pop up the charts. I'm gonna ask if anybody would love to go live today, because I'm willing to go live, go over charts, recap trades, do anything anybody would love to do as far as when it comes to charts, chats, talk trading. And guys, it was a beautiful day. Well, I was driving outside, but now it's kind of ugly. We're gonna just do our Saturday. My mom requested me to go help her move some fitness equipment at our house. Beautiful house. Maybe we'll take you guys along. I don't want to show too much. Yesterday's vlog I showed a little bit too much, so I gotta be careful, but I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And we're gonna see what we're gonna get into today. And here's one of our little kitties right here. I'm gonna open up. They like when I open up the back door right here. My girlfriend just texted me, what would I like? Said she's gonna get one on our way home. Shit. Let's see here, guys. Which one are we getting? It's gonna take a fat wab. 2009 edit. All right, so I just let everybody know in the trade zone tab that I'm live not only on YouTube, but also I'm live even in the Discord as well. All right, so we got our nice trade idea plan on gold. We already got it marked out. Previous highs, potential pullback. Give it to me. Bow. That's all we need. Give it to me. Monday, Sunday. Need it. All right, guys. So we finished up. We got 3 charts that we're ready to post here, and these are the 3 charts that we got going on. So look, we found some 3 solid like trades, pretty much 3 solid levels. Look at my little kitty. They're being so cute. 3 solid little levels. Being one on gold, previous highs. We got a little zone support here, whatever you want to call it. Either way, I'm looking for a pullback downwards to this general area or even this general area. Willing to take one stab here, willing to take another stab here. And either way, that's just how it works for me. Same thing right here. We got a little support level here, quick little bounce level. But anyways, guys, we're gonna continue on with our life. We got some laundry going on here. Gonna get ready for the day. My little walk-in closet here. Got my girlfriend got, of course, girls always got the most. It's my girlfriend's side of her walk-in closet. This is my side of my walk-in closet. Got a few bad boys. We're gonna see which one we're gonna take today, since we do feel a little bit fresh. And what I mean by fresh is we got the haircut today. We going out with a nice boom. Either way, what watch should we wear today, guys? This is a really nice Seiko. It does have like a little bit of a two-tone finish to it, but it does have like the nice GMT. You can twist this. Either way, it's a very nice Seiko. You can literally see the back of the movement. Like, to watch, can you see the back? Seiko is a dope ass watch company. But not even that, guys. Look, this one I got a few years ago. This was like a $550 watch right here. It doesn't even look that pleasing, but I must say something here. Let's pop it out. Look at how thin it is. Look at how thin it is. Very thin, nice finished type dial kind of watch. Going on to the back again, guys. Which watch allows you to see the back? This watchmaker, you can see the back. I mean, just like a Rolex and all some other ones, but man, this is a really nice style watch. So with that being said, guys, which watch are we wearing today? We gotta get a new one to replace this one. We gotta get another Seiko. We gotta finish the box and get a nice little Seiko. All right, so my mom just asked me now if I'm available to go help her real quick. So like I said, I gotta go help my mom real quick move some equipment. So let's go over there. Maybe I'm not gonna probably have you guys meet my mom. I'm not gonna put her on camera just yet. She is a owner of 2 crazy ass multi-million-dollar shops. So probably I won't put her on camera just yet. Maybe later. But for now, I'm just gonna head on out. Got my little mic with me. Hopefully it's not annoying. Never really took this out like that. So anyways, let's head on out, guys, real quick. Just real quick, I gotta go help her. All right, guys, so we're back home. I mean, it's currently just 12:32 still. And if you guys have not watched yesterday's video, guys, it actually is a dope ass video. It goes over me making sales calls for my mother, who owns, again, a mechanic shop, 2 mechanic shops. She's very successful, overflown with vehicles. Customers wanting to, pull their vehicles in because of her brand. She's a woman-owned shop who's on Instagram, who does ads, and like, she's super funny, super great. People love her. And anyways, pretty much I'm a sales advisor for her, and I make sales for her, and I make commission too as well. So it's great. It's a win-win situation. Why not sell for my mom's company as well as make money? Super great amount of money, plus I trade on the side. So anyways, today's just a little quick Saturday video of what I would be doing. Maybe we might end it here. Maybe we might make a continuation into Monday's vlog. I'm not sure. But today was just, it's literally only like noon. My girlfriend's on the way back home. My cats are being goofy. They're just on top of my thing there. With that being said, guys, it's a really chill day. It's really nice and beautiful out here. It's really nice and sunny, even though it's really ugly out there. Of course, I don't live in the best area, but I just want to say, guys, we're just gonna be real transparent. We're gonna keep it real in this video. We're gonna keep it real every single day. But just in general, yes, I'm a trader who also works for mom's company. We're gonna make it happen. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Let's continue on making great ass money. I'll catch you guys on the next one.